Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to check whether your app is updated or not. Go ahead, access your apps or Play Store according to your device preference. Now type in Telegram. Once you have done so, we're going to tap on it and you can see it's showing open instead of update. That means our app is perfectly working great and there is no problem within it. Now we're going to open it up. So let's say you are trying to search for a channel, right? Simply going and simply trying to search for a channel, and if you haven't been able to get it, then that might be that the user itself must have removed that particular channel or anything like that. Because for example, let's say this is the particular channel, right? And if I have not been able to access it, that means the channel must have been removed by the creator itself, and that's why I'm not being able to find, or the keyword or the link is incorrect that I'm trying to be searching it for. So make sure the information that you have got is correct, one, and the second, whether it has not been removed by the creator itself. Although other than that, you will be able to find your particular channel. Make sure to simply select the keyword of it and the channel name, or simply ask your friends and family to simply share you the link of the channel, and then you can access it easily. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.